Guys, what's going on? All right, today I'm making pizzas. All right, gonna do them on the Weber kettle, charcoal B&B, fire them up. Got a new pizza Q kit. Gonna get this going on. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Mini pizzas, got them inside, pre-made dough, nothing crazy. Not ready for pre-made or not ready to make my own dough just yet, but we'll see how that goes. All right, stick around, it's gonna be fun. All right, first you can get this charcoal, put it around the backside here. Instructions say put it around the backside. It's gonna be fun. All right, get that stone on there and we ready to go. You can see that stone's a little used. I did experiment with it already once, just hadn't done a video on it. Looks pretty good. We're in the pizza Q zone. Let's get some pies on here. Check it out. All right, here we go. All right, it's in. All right, guys, pizzas are done. Little mini pizzas, just a quick test. Not too bad. You can see here little mini slices. Cheese pizza, pepperoni. Nice little crust. Pre-made crust, weren't too bad. Gonna try them out next time with some authentic pizza dough. Just gotta do that, never done it before. Check it out, it's gonna be fun. Not bad, good little experiment, guys. Catch you in the next one.